What if I told you there's a luxury SUV so good that millionaires keep buying it even after spending well over $130,000? Not a Range Rover, not a Mercedes Maybach, and not even some brand new luxury SUV everyone is talking about. This is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum, and for many wealthy American families, there's still nothing better. That's what makes this SUV so interesting, because year after year, competitors keep showing up promising more technology, more luxury, and more innovation. Yet somehow, the Escalade remains the vehicle successful people keep coming back to. And once you see what Cadillac has packed into this thing, you'll understand why. Let's get straight to the numbers because that's what American buyers care about first. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 producing 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent through a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering effortless performance for a vehicle of this size. And that's exactly the point. The Escalade isn't trying to be a sports car. It's trying to make everything feel easy. Highway merging, family road trips, towing, long-distance cruising, everything feels effortless. Now let's talk about the price. Depending on configuration, you're looking at roughly $115,000 to over $130,000. That's a lot of money. But here's the crazy part. Most people who buy an Escalade aren't shopping for the cheapest luxury SUV. They're shopping for the complete package. And that's exactly what Cadillac delivers. Look at the exterior. Massive grille, signature vertical LED lighting, huge proportions, and enough road presence to completely dominate traffic. This thing doesn't blend in. It announces itself before it even arrives. And that's one of the reasons the Escalade became a status symbol in America. Athletes buy them, business owners buy them, celebrities buy them, families buy them. Because when people think of a full-size luxury SUV, the Escalade is usually the first vehicle that comes to mind. But the real magic starts inside. Open the door and you're greeted by one of the most impressive cabins in the segment. The first thing that grabs your attention is the massive curved display system stretching across the dashboard. It immediately makes the cabin feel modern, futuristic, and expensive. And honestly, many luxury SUVs still struggle to match the visual impact of this setup. Premium leather covers nearly every major touch point. Beautiful stitching, premium materials, high-end craftsmanship, and attention to detail everywhere you look. This isn't just luxury. This feels like Cadillac reminding everyone why the Escalade became famous in the first place. The front seats are outstanding. Heating, ventilation, available massage functions depending on configuration, excellent driving position, and enough comfort to make long road trips feel effortless. Then we move to the second row. And this is where many buyers get sold. Massive legroom, premium seating, available rear entertainment screens, rear climate controls, USB charging options, and enough space to make passengers feel like they're riding in a luxury lounge instead of an SUV. The crazy part, most luxury SUVs start feeling smaller once you move past the first row. The Escalade ESV feels bigger. And that's because this isn't the standard Escalade. This is the ESV, the long wheelbase version. More room, more comfort, more cargo space, more everything. Then we get to the third row. Unlike many luxury SUVs where the third row feels like punishment, adults can actually sit comfortably back here. That matters, because if you're spending this kind of money, every seat should be usable. The Escalade understands that. And when it comes to cargo space, things get ridiculous. Vacation luggage, sports equipment, airport runs, golf bags, weekend trips. The ESV swallows it all without breaking a sweat. This isn't a luxury SUV pretending to be practical. It's a practical SUV wrapped in luxury. Technology is another area where Cadillac continues to impress. Available Super Cruise hands-free driving technology helps reduce stress on long highway drives. Multiple camera views make parking easier. Premium audio systems deliver incredible sound quality. And advanced driver assistance features help make this massive SUV feel smaller than it actually is. Then there's ride quality. And this is where the Escalade separates itself from many competitors. Available magnetic ride control and air ride adaptive suspension work together to deliver an incredibly smooth driving experience. Rough roads, barely noticeable. Long highway journeys, effortless. The Escalade simply glides. And let's not forget capability. When properly equipped, the Escalade ESV can handle serious towing duties while still delivering luxury-level comfort for the entire family. That's one of the biggest reasons Americans continue to love full-size body-on-frame SUVs. They don't just look expensive, they're useful. And that's exactly why millionaires keep buying them. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum isn't trying to reinvent the luxury SUV. It's simply trying to be the best version of it. So here's the question. Would you take the Escalade ESV Platinum over a Range Rover, Mercedes Maybach, or Lincoln Navigator? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love big American flagship SUVs, hit that like button, subscribe to Apex Motors, and turn on notifications because we've got a lot more luxury SUV content coming your way.